Your roof is one of the most important investments you can make in your home. It protects your family, your belongings, and the structure of your house from Michigan's unpredictable weather. But like any major investment, your roof needs proper care to perform at its best for as long as possible. That's where a trusted Troy roofing company makes all the difference. With professional maintenance, strategic upgrades, and expert workmanship, local roofing professionals help homeowners significantly extend the lifespan of their roofs, saving money, stress, and potential damage down the road. Preventative maintenance that stops problems early. One of the biggest reasons roofs fail before their time is neglect. Homeowners don't always realize damage is forming until it becomes serious, like leaks, rot, or deteriorating shingles. A professional roofing company in Troy uses routine maintenance to catch issues before they escalate. This includes thorough inspections to identify loose shingles, cracked flashing, soft spots, and early signs of water intrusion. Removing debris such as leaves, branches, and moss that can trap moisture and cause premature wear. Tightening and sealing components to prevent wind uplift, leaks, and energy loss. These small steps can add years of life to your roof while preventing expensive repairs. Expert repairs that protect your investment when problems do arise. Quick and correct repairs are essential. A Troy roofing company brings professional knowledge to every repair, ensuring it's done right the first time. Whether you're dealing with storm damage, broken shingles, or aging materials, trained roofers know how to reinforce the compromised areas without creating new vulnerabilities. Proper repairs. Stop water infiltration, prevent structural deterioration, maintain the integrity and warranty of your roofing system. This level of expertise is crucial in areas like Troy, where freeze-thaw cycles and heavy snow can turn small roof issues into major problems. High-quality materials that last longer. The materials used on your roof have a huge impact on how long it lasts. Professional roofers partner with reputable manufacturers to provide better performing shingles, underlayments, and ventilation systems. These products are designed to handle Michigan's climate, from humid summers to icy winters. Local roofing companies also understand which materials work best in Troy's environment and ensure homeowners get the right balance of durability, energy efficiency, and style. Premium materials may cost a bit more upfront, but they deliver a significantly longer lifespan and better long-term value. Proper installation to prevent premature failure. Even the highest quality roofing materials will fail early if they're not installed correctly. A Troy roofing company has trained crews who follow industry best practices and manufacturer guidelines. This reduces risks such as misaligned shingles, faulty flashing, poor attic ventilation. Improper nailing patterns. Correct installation ensures your roofing system works as a whole rather than as a collection of parts. A well-installed roof withstands high winds, sheds water efficiently, and resists temperature-related expansion and contraction, three major factors that contribute to roof longevity. Upgraded ventilation and insulation. Ventilation and insulation play a much bigger role in roof lifespan than most homeowners realize. Without good airflow, heat and moisture can build up in the attic, causing shingles to warp, wood to rot, and mold to form. Roofing companies in Troy can evaluate your attic's condition and recommend ridge vents, soffit vents, blown-in insulation, radiant barriers. These improvements help regulate temperature and humidity, reducing strain on your roof and lowering energy bills. Seasonal care designed for Michigan weather. Local experts understand what your roof faces throughout the year. They can prepare it for harsh winter snow loads, spring storms, summer heat, and fall debris. Seasonal maintenance plans ensure your roof stays in top condition year-round. A Troy roofing company does more than repair shingles. They help protect your home's most valuable asset. With preventative care, expert workmanship, quality materials, and climate-specific solutions, they extend the lifespan of your roof and give you lasting peace of mind.